Jiyuan Sun King Electric Heating Company Limited is located at northwest of Henan Province, China. The company is a professional manufacturer of far-infrared carbon fiber electric heating products. It was founded in 2011. Over the years, the company has invested a lot for R&D of far-infrared carbon fiber electric heater. Now the products have independent intellectual property rights, and the products have the certificate of CCC, CE, and ROHS, and also passed the National Authority Test of far-infrared detection. At present, the company has become a comprehensive enterprise with scientific research, production, and sales. At the beginning of the foundation of the company, 56 million CNY has been devoted to the establishment of carbon fiber electric heater manufacturer with the aim of creating the base of carbon fiber electric heater in China. With main direction on R&D of novel, comfortable, healthy, energy-saving, and environment-friendly heating products include carbon fiber electric heating floor, portable carbon fiber electric heater, far-infrared carbon fiber wall-mounted heating drawing, freestanding carbon fiber electric heater, horizontal wall-mounted far-infrared electric heater, vertical wall-mounted far-infrared electric heater for animal husbandry, and so on. Sun King wished to establish long-term strategic friendship and cooperation with high-quality products and service. Customers in and abroad are warmly welcome to communicate with us and give out guidelines for further win-win development.